Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is David, and today we will learn how to easily create a cover for a Facebook page by using Canva. First of all, let's go to their site. It's canva.com. You can use Canva completely for free, and if all you need is just a cover for a Facebook page, then you absolutely do not need to purchase a subscription. In Canva there are lots of ready-made templates and amazing designs that all you have to do is take and adjust to what you need. For example, replace the text and maybe change color, and it will look completely professional. As you can see, there are a lot of tabs here. I choose the social media tab. Now all you have to do is click on the Facebook cover and give it a second to load. Give it another moment to load all the information. In the gray tab next to the white surface, you will have a lot of templates ready to choose from. The templates are divided into topics. I do not know what your Facebook page is about, but if it's a specific niche, try searching for it in the search box above the templates. In any case, for the purpose of the example, I will choose a light design that looks beautiful and inspiring to me. I click on the template, and now it appears on my work screen. I can change any detail I want in the design. Let's start with the text. Double-click, then I select all the text and write something else. Let's write ... my Facebook page. Yes, I know it's not creative. We will now change the subtext in the same way. Double-click and select all text. I also want to change the frame color. Clicking the color, then selecting a different color from the color square up there. Okay. Let's say I want to change a font. I need to click on the text, then select from this list above. I see that the text works in a way I did not want. All you have to do is enlarge the text box with the guidelines. Please note that all fonts with a crown icon next to them are for users who have purchased a subscription only. Now, I want to add an element to the image. Some painting. See the tab on the left? There are elements there. I click on the window and wait for it to open. The Canva has tons upon tons of amazing elements. Some of them are even animated. Surprisingly, quite a lot of them are free. Next to those that do not, a crown appears. I want to add the Facebook icon. Let's search for Facebook in the search window. See how many results? I will take the first option. A simple click and the element will be added. Oops, I seem to have clicked twice. I delete the unnecessary. Wait, 3 times. Okay, let's continue. To edit the element I can drag it, resize, and even change colors. The colors are changed the same way we changed the frame color. Well, suppose I'm happy with the design. What now? See the download button above? Click on it. We have all kinds of options for saving, but all for subscribers only. The option of keeping with a transparent background, for example, is very useful, and I would consider buying a subscription just for that, but for the purpose of Facebook cover design, you will not usually need it. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, I'd love for you to click like and subscribe.